JCU Townsville has international reputation as a global center for excellence in marine science, and that's partially because of our wonderful position here on the Great Barrier Reef and also our track record reputation with other institutes, both in Australia and overseas, in particular with the Australian Institute of Marine Science and also the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Authority, both based here in Townsville and within a couple of kilometers from our main campus. This creates a fantastic opportunity for students to learn marine science from some of the top researchers working in tropical environments, but also other environments in the world. And also to see how science can be used to improve conservation and environment outcomes. The students that come from JCU, they come from different countries, so it's quite common to sit on a classroom with another 15 other international students, and this creates an opportunity that goes way beyond your studies. We have fantastic resources here at JCU, very modern facilities including laboratories, analytical centers, infrastructure around aquaculture, and of course we do a range of different boat and diving activities. Undergraduate students at JCU are able to contribute to some of the state-of-the-art research that both staff and postgraduate students do at JCU and gain some real-world experience in terms of research.